Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set default keyboard in WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. After you're in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now head over to any chats. Now tap on the message box. As you can see, the keyboard is now selected to Bengali. So in order to set default keyboard over here, you need to go to the keyboard settings. Here you can see the settings icon, tap on it. It'll take you to your keyboard settings in the phone. At the top, you can see languages and types option, tap on it. Now select manage input languages. You can change the language of keyboard over here. In order to set default keyboard, which is English, you can select English UK or English US. I'll select English US for now. And I'll disable this Bengali option and I'll go back. Now if I open the text box, the keyboard is now back to English. So that's how you can set default keyboard in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.